Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Remos Discoloration Eraser Plus Plaque Remover in one device. It has the item number 7868B. Two's Discoloration Eraser with plaque remover. This is a 2-in-1 thing. It eliminates these discolourations. For example, from coffee, tea, wine, cigarettes, etc. It can be quickly and easy removed. But take care, not natural occurring colourations, only the colourations by coffee, tea, wine, cigarettes, etc., of course. And it's really easy to use. This tooth rubber works just like a regular stationery rubber. Simply rub over this discoloration until it has disappeared. To complement dental appointments, the tooth rubber is excellent at removing recurring discoloration from the teeth between dental checkups. But it cannot replace your dentist, of course. It is safe. Test results from the Karolinska Institute have shown that the tooth rubber does not damage teeth when used as indicated in the instruction. That means only do this once a week and not toothbrush work, not 3 minutes in one time on one tooth, of course. But I am going to show you later. And remove tartar yourself. The hooked tip enables you to remove tartar from between teeth and from the tooth surface. The tartar eraser plaque remove made of stainless steel. It removes coffee, tea, tobacco, wine stains, etc. The eraser is gentle on gums and tooth snacks. The patent tooth discoloration eraser made from natural rubber into which abrasive grains and fluorine have been incorporated. This combination of natural rubber and abrasive grains is normally used by dentists to polish gold crowns. Hold the handle between the thumb and index finger. Erase tooth discoloration with the slanted straight tip. Tooth discolorations between the teeth can be erased with a rubber tip. Stop using if the discoloration has not gone away after 7 up to 8 erasing movements. The edged cut hawk beak shaped tip is extremely suitable to remove plaque. Gently glide the edge of the beak over the tooth surface from the gums towards to the tooth. With the tip, remove plaque between the teeth. So let's perform the tooth discoloration eraser. It is a rubber. It eliminates teeth discoloration. So here you can see some discolorations, and it's really easy to use. That tooth rubber works just like a regular stationery rubber. It is really simple to use. Only use the rubber on the top side or the front side of your teeth, and then rub from upper side to the bottom side a little bit. And if you continue this a lot of times, then the discoloration will be gone easily. So that means simply rub over the discolorations until it has disappeared. It's really easy to complete the dental appointment. The tooth rubber is excellent at removing recurring discolorations from the teeth between dental checkups. Okay, it will not replace a dental checkup. You have to do a dental checkup too, of course. So, but this rubber will help you to have a better shining smile. And it's really easy. And it works, as you can see. It is not a miracle. It is a standard rubber thing to get a better health looking through with your front teeth. And this is the tooth discoloration eraser, and he will help you to have a better shining smile out there. And it works, as you can see. If I complete this later, it will a better solution to get a better smile on it. It's really easy, and it is safe. And it's only do this once a week for about 10 times each teeth. This is okay for each tooth. You can go and rub and rub and rub, but only use the front teeth for it, and then you completed it once a week. That's enough, and you will feel a better smile. Yeah, so that it is the tooth discoloration eraser. I like it really much because it works. The periodontal scaler are dental instruments used in the prophylactic and periodontal care of the teeth, most often human teeth, but also for dogs, for example, including scaling and root planning. The working ends come in a variety of shapes and size, but they are always narrow at the tip, so as to allow for access to narrow embrasure spaces between teeth. They differ from periodontal carrots, which poses a blunt tip. And this is a periodontal scalers, and it will helps you to get on your calculus removed by yourself, because a periodontal scalers is using the doctor, the dentist too. Together with the periodontal curators, periodontal scalers are used to remove the calculus from teeth. While curates are often universal and they can be used on both supra and gingival calculus removals, scalers are restricted to supragingival use. Use of a scale below the gum line is like to damage the gingiva, so take care of this area. Scalers have scraping edges on both sides of their blades, and those are fit for both mesial and distal surfaces of any tooth in the area in which they are being used. Scalers are best used when the terminal fang, namely the last pretension of the function chain close to the working end, is angled slightly toward the surface of the tooth. And we're going to remove now a little bit of calculus. There we are. Here you can see a little bit of calculus or tartar. This is a form of hardened dental plaque. It is caused by precipitation of minerals from saliva and gingival crevular fluid (GCF) in plaque on the teeth. This process of precipitation kills the bacterial cells within dental plaque, but the rough and hardened surface that is formed provides an ideal surface for further plaque formation. This leads to calculus built up, which compromises the health of the gingiva. Calculus came from both along the gum line, where it is referred to as subbragingiva above the gum, and within the narrow sulcus that exists between the teeth and the gingiva. But there you have to take care. If you are using this instrument at home, don't go too deep into the gums area. It will hurt your gum. So take care and do this gentle from the bottom side to the upper side of your teeth. Calculus formations is associated with a number of clinical manifestations, including bad breath, recurring gums, and chronically inflamed gingiva. Brushing and flossing can remove plaque from which calculus forms. However, once formed, calculus is too hard, firmly attached, to be removed with a toothbrush. Calculus built up can be removed with ultrasonic tools or dental hand instruments, such as this periodontal scaler. And this will help you. But don't scratch too hard, because this will damage your tooth fast. So take care of you. Do this gentle from the bottom side up to the head side of the tooth. And then you're able to remove the calculus or the tartar with this device. The scale is a nice device, but take care of your dental area. It is not really easy. Take care of your teeth out there, but you can see it works. But do this gentle and slowly, and take care of your areas underneath your teeth. This is really important. So you saw it, we scrapped it up, and of course you can use it in the areas between two teeth. This is really awesome to get there out some concrete things, etc. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.